Choosing the right window style for your Doral home can significantly impact its aesthetics, functionality, and energy efficiency. Whether you're building a new home or considering a window replacement, it's essential to select windows that suit the architectural style of your home while meeting your practical needs. With Doral's warm climate and diverse home designs, here are the top residential window styles to consider. Single hung and double hung windows. Single hung and double hung windows are classic and versatile options that work well with a wide range of architectural styles, from traditional to modern homes. Single hung windows. In this style, the bottom sash moves up and down while the top sash remains fixed. This design offers a timeless look, easy maintenance, and is generally more affordable than double hung windows. Double hung windows. Both the top and bottom sashes are operable, providing better ventilation options and easier cleaning. Double hung windows are ideal for homeowners who want flexibility in airflow and access to both the upper and lower sashes for cleaning. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward with the help of a crank, making them one of the most energy-efficient window styles available. Energy efficiency. Casement windows seal tightly when closed, reducing drafts and enhancing energy efficiency, a great feature for Doral's warm climate. Unobstructed views. With no center rail, casement windows provide a clear view of the outdoors. This makes them perfect for areas where you want to maximize natural light and enjoy scenic views. Sliding windows. Sliding windows are a popular choice for Doral homes due to their space-saving design and ease of operation. They open horizontally along a track, similar to sliding doors. Space-saving design. Sliding windows do not require any extra space to open, making them an excellent choice for areas where exterior space is limited, such as patios, walkways, or decks. Low maintenance. With fewer moving parts, sliding windows are easy to maintain and provide reliable operation over time. Wide views and ventilation. The horizontal design offers wide views of the outdoors and allows for excellent ventilation when open. Picture windows. Picture windows are large, fixed windows that don't open but offer expansive views and let in plenty of natural light. They are ideal for areas where you want to highlight the outdoors and enjoy uninterrupted sightlines. Natural light. Picture windows can brighten up your interior spaces, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Energy efficiency. Since they don't open, picture windows are highly energy efficient with minimal air leakage. Design statement. Often used as focal points, picture windows can create a striking visual effect, especially when combined with other window styles. Awning windows. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, forming a weather-resistant barrier that allows ventilation even during light rain. Weather protection. Their unique design makes awning windows great for enhancing airflow while keeping out rain, which is ideal for Doral's occasional tropical showers. Privacy options. Awning windows work well in bathrooms and other private areas, as they can be placed higher on walls while still providing ventilation. Bay and bow windows. Bay and bow windows project outward from your home, creating an elegant look and adding extra space inside. Extra interior space. These window styles create a cozy nook, ideal for seating, reading, or decorating. They can also make a room feel larger and more open. Natural light and panoramic views. Bay and bow windows are excellent for capturing light from multiple angles, enhancing the brightness of your home's interior while offering panoramic views. Impact-resistant windows. Given Doral's location in a hurricane-prone region, impact-resistant windows are a highly recommended option for homeowners seeking durability and safety. Storm protection. Impact-resistant windows are designed to withstand high winds and debris, making them an excellent choice for Doral homes. Enhanced security. These windows offer additional security against break-ins, providing peace of mind for homeowners. Custom-shaped windows. Custom-shaped windows can add a unique architectural flair to your home, creating a one-of-a-kind appearance that reflects your personal style. Architectural interest. Whether it's circular, triangular, or another unique shape, custom windows can enhance your home's exterior and interior design. Tailored fit. Custom windows are made to fit specific spaces, ensuring a seamless look that complements your home's existing style. Finding the right style for your Doral home. Selecting the best window style for your Doral home depends on your design preferences, functional needs, and energy efficiency goals. Whether you're looking for classic double-hung windows, modern sliding options, or impact-resistant designs, choosing the right window style can elevate your home's comfort, safety, and aesthetic appeal. Consult with a professional window installer to explore the best options tailored to your unique home and lifestyle.